I just received my package from K Hair Factory from Vietnam. The hairs are so nice. Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you so much, K Hair. I loved all the hairs I bought from you guys. This is my second time buying from K Hair, and trust me, their hairs are so nice. So if you are looking for a company to buy from, I recommend K Hair Factory, because my customers loved all the bundles I bought from a company. I can't wait to place my next order. Thank you so much, Jenny, for answering all my questions, for being patient with me. This is a reliable company. If you are into hair business, I recommend K Hair Factory. They are the best. Thank you so much, K Hair. Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.